Ramadan special. Half kilogram potato. Cut potato into small piece. Cut all like this. Wash potato properly. Now add 3-second besan. Add salt to taste. Chat masala 1 tsp. Haldi half tsp. Garam masala half tsp. Roasted crushed coriander 1 tsp. Roasted crushed zira 1 tsp. Ginger garlic paste half tsp. Red chili powder 1 tsp. Red food color as required. Mix well. Now add 2 cups cooking oil. Now add prepared potato. Fry it until golden. Now flip it. Add green chillies to 2-3. Stir for 2 minutes. Sprinkle chat masala.